Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel The Coded Brain. Today we are starting the second video of our calculate project. Before starting, I would like to say that please support us by subscribing our channel. We got less subscribe and view our videos and share it to your friends also. So let's get started with today's video. On the last episode, we just create the design of bottom and calculator, which looked like this. Yeah. Now today we will initialize the bottom. So let's get started. We can find the variable or name of bottom all here. You can see variable of bottom, that is bottom 1, bottom 2. You can see there may be different on yours. Let's initialize with this one. Double click on this and you can go to the action of this. Now just type another. We have the variable of text field. Since we must insert the number here, so the variable is text field here. So double click on one and just write text field dot set text. Yeah, and keep the bracket and again write text field dot now get text. Since we must get the text that is on the text field. Now this for 1, so we give here 1. Now let's run this. Now you can see whenever we click 1, you can see the 1. Again you can see we can click 1. What does this text field dot set text does? Means it will set text, and if we do not insert this, let's cut this, let's cut this all, and you can see if we only insert this much, means we will only get chance of inserting 1, not more. Yeah, so we must insert all these. We will get text and it will add flood 1. So just copy this, copy, and do the same process for all the numbers. This for 2 and let's insert and give it for 2. Now this is for 3. Something this is for, that is 3, and do for all of the numbers. 1, 4, 5, this for 6, this for 7, 8, and finally for 9, and we have 0, 2, and for the 0 and the dot. Now we have finished for all the bottoms. Let's see the numbers mainly. What will it happen? Like we can insert 0, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we can insert it, all of them. So now it's turn for this all clear bottom. Click on it. Now what in all clear bottom means, we must keep the text field, that is in calculator menu we use 0. Yeah, so this is the work of all clear, or you can give null also, nothing. Now let's give the number. Now click all clear, you can see we get 0. Yeah, or you just it is better than giving the 0, that is null, nothing, empty. And what we have next, that is on of bottom. Now firstly on of bottom must be selected. Yeah, so now it has been selected. It must be, because our system must be on at the first while opening. Now let's click on. Click from here, and what should we do on the on is, like whenever we click off, all the bottom must be disabled, and whenever we click on, all the bottom must be enabled. Let's do for off. You can just right click on it and add even $, and action performed, and you can see here we got action performed off. Now whenever we click off, what it should be done means, all the bottom must be enabled, that is all first it must do further, that is text field, text FIF field dot set enabled. Yeah, you can see set and false, since whenever we click the off button it should be false. Yeah, and we have button 1 button 1 dot set in a, it will be bottom button button 1. Actually before doing this button 1, since the variable are at the down, so just copy this on and off for this, you can see, and just go to scroll down and paste here. This is because we'll not get any error in the name of variable, and that is button button 1 dot set enabled. Look, we are not getting any error. This will be if this also will be false. So let's copy this, and these are button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5, button 6, button 7, bottom 8, bottom 9, and bottom 0, and this is for 0, this is for 2, this is for 3, this is for 4, this is for 5, this is for 6, this is for 7, this is for 8, this is for 9, and this is for number. Now let's copy this all, and what we must do is, after that when we click on bottom, it must be enabled. Right click on the add event and $, and action performed, and whenever we click on bottom it must be enabled. Just convert this to true. So now let's load it. We have done for bottom. Now whenever we click off, you can see it has been disabled. Yeah, now we forgot dot, and we cannot click n number also here in the label. Look, and whenever we click on, it will be enabled. Yeah, and whenever we click off, almost this label, like we click at 0 and on click, you can see at 0. So we must do that also. And how you can do it, whenever you click off, this for off, and just write set, write text field dot set text and null. Sorry for the spelling. Yeah, now another thing is, we must do for all the bottom, not only numbers. This is only for numbers. Now let's do for all of the bottoms, and this backspace is bottom BK, bottom AC. Yeah, and set enable. Let's copy this up to this much. Now let's give this for bottom backspace, and this for bottom AC, and this is for bottom bottom plus minus, and this is for plus, this for minus, this for minus, and that was for multiplication, and this for divide, this for what is about the variable of dot. You can check bottom 6, it is. Copy this and go to source. Sorry, you must go source of off, bottom 6, and let's see the design of this. What is variable? Button X, button B, bottom X, bottom E. And you can, let's send this to bottom E is for the equal to. Yeah, now we need for bottom, that is 3 bottom. Let's copy this 3 and paste this, and you can see button X is for square, and this is button B is for root, and another we have button what is that variable for this bottom B, and this bottom small x. Yeah, and that is button is this. So let's run this. What happened is, now when I click off, all the bottoms has been disabled. Now on we have done this, so we must do this too. Let's cross this, and from here copy, and we have here paste this and make this true. Now save this and run this again, and now you can see whenever we click off, all the bottom as are disabled. Now when you click, all the bottom have been enabled. So, and we have done off point. Now let's do for, and we have done all clear. Now it's done for this plus minus sign and backspace, and this bottom are for operation. We'll do on next video how to use them. Yeah, so let's do this backspace. Let's go to design, click on backspace and double click this. You can go to backspace. Now backspace is little complicated, so we must find the length of the numbers on the text field. Just at length, let's give a variable that is length equal to what text f field, that is we must get the text, yeah, from the, and text length from the text field, and let's give another number equal to, and eld field dot get text dot lengt length, and just give -1 and a semicolon. Now what we did is we declare a integer that length in there to get the total length of this text field, and we declare number to just decrease the total number of this text field by 1. Yeah, now let's give another value that is string s capital store, and if Now if the length is greater than 0, yeah, since we cannot do a backspace on 0, then what should we do? Is we should build a string. So write string builder and give a name that is back. I'm going for back, and just write new string builder. Just give a space on this new string builder, and on the bracket give the text field dot get text and give a semicolon. And what we did here is we just create that back as a string builder for the numbers of text field. Since text field only takes character, not number, so we must make this to string to, and just write back dot delete char add that is number. What we did is on this line we build we give back to as a string builder, yeah, and we had already a number, that is if the length is 5, and we just -1, that is we did -1, that it will be 4, and back means it will, after deleting that character to 4, it will, this back will make it back to string, so it could display. So store this, store back store equal to string, yeah, str, what is saying, send to s, oh sorry for the misspelling, and we must display on the text field text field dot set text. What we must display is store. So guys, this is the code for a backspace. I think you understand it. Now you can see we wrote a number and we can give a backspace now. So that is our backspace. Now it's on for this plus and minus, and I will end this video, and let's go to design, and let's double click on this plus minus. What is the logic of this plus and minus? Means what we must do is we must declare a double, and let's keep variable that is sign and equal to. Now what, since the text field only shows the string, so we must convert that string into double. So write double dot press double, and write string dot, and what value of, that is from the text field get text, yeah. So what this did is it will change the string from the text field, and that is, yeah, we have on the text field, and it will press to double, it will change into the double. So now we can just write sign equal to sign multiply, that is -1, and we must just display it, write text field dot set text and string dot value of sign, and just cut this copy. Now what we did is we changed the string from of text field to double here, and we just multiply with -1, and again we set the text that is string value of that sign. So let's run it. I think it should work. Now let's write a number that is 96. Yeah, and when you click it you can see minus again, just to take out this 0 is no problem. Now you can click AC and it will all clear. So friends, this is all for today's video. On our next and the last video we will initialize these bottoms, and till then have a good day, and don't forget what I said, subscribe our channel and know more about programming videos. We will upload it daily, and have a good day ahead. Thank you.